Hello, YouTube viewers and subscribers. My name is Ronnie Scars, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Around the World, a travel program proudly brought to you by Sapphire Astor Productions. In celebration of my Golden Jubilee, I have been traveling the world as Uncle Traveling Mac, immersing myself in the beauty of the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and North America. Over the next few weeks, I will be sharing with you some of the most unforgettable moments from this remarkable journey. And today, in our very first episode, we kick things off with one of the world's most dynamic and innovative cities, Dubai. Let's explore together.
YouTube viewers and subscribers, welcome. This is Uncle Traveling Mac coming to you from Dubai. YouTube subscribers, let you know that the temperature is 46 degrees as I prepare this video.
Saturday, January 24th, 2026 at 6 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.